Good morning, Islamabad Model College for Girls 8 and 4 Islamabad. Today in our college, we have Ma'am Nija Asif, the president of Aero Modeling Club NEST. Thank you, ma'am. We welcome you in our podcast room.
Thank you for having me.
Let's learn something from her expertise. Firstly, I will request you to introduce our audience the simple definition of aero modeling.
Okay, so basically, we all know about aviation and aircrafts. So, Aero Modeling Club works on scale modeling those aircrafts. It gives you a chance to work on the small scale models of original aircrafts that we have in our industries, and we do different experiments on them, try integrating different AI, ML things to make it align with the more advanced concepts of the technology in today's era.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Ma'am, what sparks your interest in robotics and aero modeling?
Well, that's an interesting story. When I started my career in university, I wasn't actually in mechatronics. I started in civil engineering. But then one day I saw about mechatronics and MERC. That was the day when I decided to switch my major. And after 1 year in civil engineering, I switched from civil to mechatronics. And I think that has been the best decision in my life so far.
Wow, ma'am. How is robotics transforming aero modeling and aircraft design?
Yeah, well, that's a very interesting question. See, like if we have to incorporate a new concept, we have to work on a new design. You can't directly work on a large scale model, right? So, Aero Modeling Club or the Aero Modeling field itself provides you an opportunity to work on that ideas and concepts on small scale so that you can see their efficiency, you can experiment different tasks on them, and then ultimately these things get to implement in the real world applications.
Ma'am, how will you encourage students of today for joining this field?
Okay, so I think it is an emerging field itself. Like we can see, we have the concept of electric vehicles, and after that, we are having flying taxis.
Yeah.
And today, even for parcel delivery, we see companies like Amazon using drones for their craft. So it not only reduces the time, but also increases the efficiency. So for the small tasks, even you can use aircrafts or UAVs that you can even design yourself, and it's a huge industry. In Pakistan, you might not see things that way, but internationally, we have a huge scope for this field, and I do highly recommend students to pursue it. Even if not as a career, you have more interest, you can pursue it as a hobby. It's very easy to start aero modeling on a small scale.
If you could design any flying robot as a model, what could it be?
Well, if I talk about fantasy, so I think that's going to be something very unreal. But today we are working on an aircraft that's VTOL. Usually, when the aircrafts fly, they usually take this kind of flight, like both in the X and Y direction. They have an inclined flight. But the VTOL aircraft is the one that first gains the altitude and then it moves forward. So we are currently working on that.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am, for sparing your time and enlightening us with the much needed topic. Thank you.